Is now the right time to sell your home in Charlotte. In just 1 month, inventory is beginning to grow and buyer behavior is changing. In this video, I'm going to break down the latest Charlotte real estate trends for August versus September of 2024. Let's jump right into the data. So here are 3 key stats you need to keep in mind. The first one is new listings. Now, new listings are defined as homes that have come into the market in a 30-day period, but have not yet gone under contract. So compared to August of 2024, new listings for September actually decreased 7.95% for the month, which means the fewer homes came onto the market. The next stat is pending sales. Now, pending sales is defined as homes that have actually gone under contract in a 30-day period, and it's an indication of buyer demand. So compared to August of 2024, September pending sales actually dropped 8.15%. So that means there are less offers being made and less offers being accepted. And the last stat is inventory levels. Now, inventory actually grew 4.97% in September, despite fewer new listings coming on the market, which means buyers have pulled out of the market and homes are sitting longer. Again, it's an indication of a changing buyer behavior. Let's talk real quick about home sales prices and the supply of homes that are currently on the market right now. But here's what you need to know about median sales prices here in Charlotte. There was a slight 1% decrease in the median sales price of homes from August to September of 2024 here in the Charlotte area. So this is an indication that actually home sales prices are starting to stabilize a little bit, and they're not appreciating or going up in value as much as they had been previously. As you can see, the market sort of cooled off a little bit from August to September. If you look out nationally, you can also see a cooling trend. Now from August to September, the national market decreased about 2.28%. Not a huge decrease, but it is starting to cool down. When it comes to looking at inventory levels or the supply of homes on the market, we look at a stat called the month supply of homes. Now, in September of 2024, that month supply of homes increased slightly to 2.7 months. Now, we're still deep in a seller's market. However, we are moving toward a buyer's market, and we're starting to see that trend to continue a little bit. And I expect that trend to continue to a buyer's market for the next couple of months. Now, 6 months supply of homes on the market is considered to be balanced. Well, I think there are 2 reasons why there was a cool down from August to September. The first reason is it's seasonal. It happens this time every year. Summer ended, kids go back to school at the end of August, so there are less offers made on houses, less buyers out there looking to buy houses. So I think it's just, again, seasonal. The second reason I think there was a cool down has to do with sort of the not economic conditions right now, but the political conditions. Right now we're in election season. There are a lot of people talking about election, and there are a lot of people wanting to wait and see what happens, who's elected president of the United States. I think once that gets past November, then we may see a little bit of an uptick. However, overall, I think you're going to see this cooling trend continue to at least January or February before it really starts to pick up again. And that's where we're going to be back in the summer season. What do the numbers mean if you're thinking about selling your house? Well, here's the good news. We're still deep in a seller's market. Despite a national and a local sort of cooling trend, inventory levels are still at an all-time low, and you as a seller can take advantage of those low inventory levels. Another piece of good news is that buyers that buy homes in October, November, and December are highly motivated. So if you put your house on the market during those 3 months, you're going to capitalize on motivated buyers that are ready to make a deal, and they're probably more motivated than buyers that take place during the relaxed summer months. The data suggests that the market is cooling, at least it did from August to September. And as the market continues to cool, there are going to be certain challenges you're going to face if you put your house on the market. So here are 3 challenges I think you could possibly face if you put your house on the market anytime soon. The first challenge is going to be buyer hesitation. Now, buyers are going to take longer to make an offer. They're going to want to negotiate different contingencies, different repairs. You name it, they're going to want to negotiate it. The second challenge you may face are going to be longer days on market. Homes are sitting longer. Inventory is starting to rise a little bit. So you're going to see your house sit there. You need to be prepared for that. You need to make sure your house looks good and it's ready to be sold and you're prepared. So again, longer days on market is definitely a challenge. And the third challenge I think you're going to face is going to be price sensitivity. The days of just putting a number on the house, watching it fly off the market, those days are long gone. You have to price accordingly based upon the condition of your house and based upon your competition. If you don't, you're going to be really frustrated and you're going to have a horrible home selling experience. A successful home sale is actually pretty basic. First key is make sure your house is prepared to be sold. You want it looking good. You want to get caught up on the deferred maintenance. You want it to really appeal to buyers, and you want it to make it easy for the buyer to make a decision to buy your house. So that's real estate 101. The second thing is, especially in a cooling market, you may want to look at some timing issues when it comes to putting your house on the market. So I think right now is a good time to put your house on the market because you could capture these buyers that are really motivated, that are looking to buy at the end of the year. Also, you're taking advantage of current market trends, interest rates, and that kind of thing. And then you're prepared to capture buyers if they flood back into the market if interest rates do drop by the end of this year or the early part of next year. So sort of a great time to catch current buyers, and you'll be prepared for future buyers if they do enter the market. Despite a cooling trend from August to September, Charlotte remains a great market for home sellers. So if you're thinking about selling your house, let's get your house on the market now. Don't wait, do it as soon as possible. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest Charlotte real estate trends and to get tips on how to maximize the sale of your home.